stats. Ain't dropping 3 years, but I'm back. Where the money at? That's the first question. You better pack a strap. That's the first lesson. Hard times got the whole United States stressing. I'm writing a book, how to survive in a recession. Mr. Obama, we so tired of selling crack. If you're looking for me, ask the streets where I'm at.
The streets all night and day.
The hood love thugs.
I still run the streets all night and day.
Chill, I rep for my city. Go hard for the hood. Still posted on that block. What's good?
Cause I still run the streets all night and day. I can't stay away.
It's home sweet home where the D-boys roam. Moving stone for stone or zone for zone. All night getting it on till 6 in the morning. The shit I'm smoking on, stronger than cologne. You can probably my stats. Ain't dropping 3 years, but I'm back.